Now, imagine you have a device for each of the applications you have on your phone. One has your contacts, one has photo app, one has your social media app, and one has a calendar which has your sister's birthday reminder. And only 13 of them are actually connected to each other. Imagine the lost time and productivity to do simple tasks like send a happy birthday text message to that sister on her birthday. Now, retailers are doing this every single day. Our research found that on average, retailers are using over 44 different systems and applications to access their data and run their operations. And 70% of those systems are disconnected because most organizations manage the customer experience in silos based on their org structure, team silos, data silos, and tech silos. The result, obviously, disconnected data, which leads to disconnected, inconsistent, impersonal shopper experience. And this is bad because, as many of you know, the number one frustration from customers today is a disconnected CX. And that 1 in 3 customers will switch from brands they love after one bad experience. Our mission here at Salesforce over the past 25 years has remained steady. We help our customers connect with shoppers in a whole new way. We have been your proud partners in helping you build a Shopper 360 that can power the full shopper journey, from awareness and acquisition to acquire and engage with customers, to engagement and transactions, to service and fulfillment, and finally to drive more loyalty through our loyalty management solution. We want to change the way retailers drive and deliver hyper-personalized, frictionless, valuable shopping experiences across the shopper journey. While we are coming up with these solutions, we are also seeing a major shift that is happening, major technology shifts that are coming through which we are helping our customers. From cloud to social to our first AI product, Einstein, 10 years ago, to right now with Gen AI helping us create the future through agents. AI, as you already are aware, can bring tremendous value to businesses. It improves the customer experience, with 84% of leaders agreeing that it enhances how they serve customers, which leads to better engagement and upticks loyalty. It's a major productivity booster, and it's projected to free up 30% of employee time by 2030, allowing teams to focus on higher value work. In fact, 3 out of 4 companies, as per our research, are likely to adopt AI by 2027. At Salesforce, we believe humans and AI together are key to driving customer success. The Salesforce platform and the Data Cloud solution unify customers' data from various sources, creating a real-time 360-degree view. This fuels Einstein, our AI solution, which assists teams with intelligent recommendations, task automation, and personalized customer interactions. AI is then seamlessly integrated into every Salesforce solution, be it sales, service, marketing, and commerce, delivering proactive insights and automating workflows. But at the end of the day, it's your people using these AI-driven insights who bring it all to life, combining technology with their expertise to create exceptional customer experiences. Now let's look into the possibility of Gen AI in retail, and specifically to the topic that we are here to discuss, which is how can it deliver personalized experiences leading to boosting consumer loyalty. But we need to first understand, do we really see a need for AI? How are shoppers perceiving it? Now, ChatGPT burst into the scene in November 2022. 17% of shoppers say that they've used Gen AI to get inspiration for product purchases. While it's still early days, the technology has the potential to become an important part of the shopping experience. For example, what you see here is 19% of shoppers said that they were very interested in using Gen AI to get gift ideas. 18% are very interested in using it for researching appliances, and almost 17% are interested in using it for their health recommendations. There are new e-commerce experiences which are becoming the new normal, some of which, as you can see, we are quite familiar with, whether it's about reading review summaries before buying an iPhone on Amazon or getting that new look with the help of Myntra's Gen AI prompts. Leveraging AI to create hyper-personalized, modifiable content and ads has also proliferated. Like if you remember the Cadbury's ad, which promoted local businesses during the pandemic, ensuring that every local business based on which city you are in talks to you directly with the Cadbury proposition. Now, we understand Gen AI is prevalent everywhere, where marketers are using it to generate product recommendations, virtual models, or even conversational digital shopping experiences. It's making the more arduous tasks more automated. The creative team would still be the first to make a PDP, but in-house AI could be used to modify or update it from there. For example, if a product comes in a different flavor or a different style, the brand can think about using Gen AI to make updates to the pages and make sure they correctly conform to, say, Amazon's guidelines, reducing the need for humans to pore over every listing. But it also gives team members more opportunities to focus on creativity. So there are many use cases in retail across the life cycle of a customer, as you can see on this slide. But let's look at a few where we think AI can directly influence experience, productivity, and boost loyalty and engagement. Now, what you see here on this slide is how Gen AI can be a powerful tool for retail companies looking to improve their advertising copy and design. And it's very directly related to the kind of experience a brand is able to deliver. Now, utilization in advertising copy and design, I think the first and foremost thing that comes to our mind is how do I generate creative content every single time? And Gen AI can produce a wide variety of creative text and visual content, offering numerous options for ad copy and design. Similarly, AI can customize advertising content to resonate with different segments of the market, creating more personalized experiences for customers. Let's even talk about A/B testing and optimization. With AI, retailers can quickly generate and test different versions of ad copy and design to see what resonates best with their audience, enabling more effective campaigns. And lastly, data-driven insights. AI can analyze consumer behavior and preferences, providing insights that can inform the creation of more targeted and effective advertising content. No wonder why every time we log into Instagram, we are able to see exactly the product that we've been thinking about buying and researching for. Now, the next one that you can see here is while personalization is closely related to the content and the advertisement that you see, but I think it's also important that AI plays a very, very significant role in identifying who are those people that they would want to target and reach out to. Now, Gen AI again can significantly enhance the capabilities of retailers and brands in intelligent segmentation and targeting for modern customer marketing engagements. And here's how it can be implemented. Advanced customer segmentation. AI can analyze extensive customer data, whether it's demographics, whether it's behavior, preferences, to create highly detailed and nuanced customer segments. You can use historical data, and AI can predict future purchasing behaviors and preferences, allowing for proactive targeting. AI can generate personalized marketing messages, ads, and content like we saw in the previous slide, tailored to the specific characteristics of each customer segment. And then, of course, dynamic segmentation. AI can continuously update customer segments in real time based on the latest interactions, ensuring that marketing efforts are always targeted at the most relevant audience. Now, lastly, in context of loyalty, what you see here is that retailers and brands can leverage Gen AI to enhance the performance of their loyalty membership programs, addressing several key challenges and boosting engagement and retention among members. Think about personalized rewards and offers. AI can analyze individual member data to generate personalized rewards, offers, or product recommendations that are most likely to resonate with each member. AI can predict future purchasing behaviors or preferences of loyalty members, allowing for more targeted and timely engagement strategies. It can also create personalized emails, app notifications, or even text messages that cater to the interests and behavior of each loyalty program member. AI can optimize the complete user experience on digital platforms, personalizing the layout and features based on user preferences and behaviors. And lastly, it can also introduce dynamic gamification elements like challenges, badges, or leaderboards tailored to engage different segments of the loyalty program. Now, marketers tell us that implementing or leveraging AI is the leading priority for them right now. Yet, they also cite difficulties in executing the strategies as their primary challenge. Now, this contradiction highlights the significance of addressing these barriers to effectively incorporate AI into marketing strategies for enhanced performance and customer engagement. Let's understand how customer engagement has evolved over a few years, right? So the first era of digital engagement was characterized by limited customer data and mass campaigns. Brands primarily had very little customer data, maybe an email address or probably a phone number, which was used to engage with all customers with generic mass market messages. The second era came about more data availability. Brands started gathering more data, be it phone numbers, web cookies, app IDs, purchase history, enabling them to segment their audience. With this information, they could tailor messages and offers to specific customer groups. And lastly, the new era, where everything is expected to be real time, instant gratification, right? So, real time engagement that uses AI and robust historical and real time profiles to create unique, hyper relevant experiences for customers across channels and touchpoints. And this is the era of one on one personalization at scale, fueled by data and AI. With Data Cloud as our foundation at Salesforce, we are helping our customers exactly achieve this, become customer companies. That is to say, meet their customers with a unified, connected, and intelligent customer experience through a combined data with AI and CRM and trust strategy. We've built Data Cloud to deliver on the promise of the complete open and connected customer experience and emotional experience, starting with marketing and expanding into the full CX. This includes all forms of data, predictive and generative AI driven, omni-channel engagement, and analytics and automation across the CX to provide personalized customer engagement across all touchpoints. Now, this is where I would like to talk about how Salesforce's personalization solution allows you to deliver everything that we've spoken so far. Our Einstein personalization is built on Data Cloud, which brings together the power of real-time AI decisioning and customer data to create the personalized experience that drive customer action. It's a personalization service built directly on the Salesforce Data Cloud, enabling users to create one-on-one experiences using data gathered across all touchpoints and sources by leveraging a combination of machine learning models and business rules. You'll be able to use AI to generate recommendations that are optimized for both the end user and your business objectives. You can build goal-based recommendations that are designed to be dynamic and adaptive, taking into account new data and changing circumstances to continually offer the most relevant and effective next best product. With Einstein personalization, rule-based recommendations empower you to fully control and customize the recommendation process by setting your own strategies and conditions. And this is ideal for scenarios where transparency and direct oversight are crucial. Our filters feature will allow you to refine and restrict the scope of your recommendations by applying specific criteria such as brand, price, or other relevant attributes. And this will allow you to boost your marketing strategies that are targeted and relevant, providing only those options that meet your predefined conditions. Add real-time personalized experience to websites with the help of the Data Cloud. Use pro-code approach or no-code approach to configure where on the website a personalized experience should appear and how it should look like. And lastly, leverage analytics to gain insights into your personalization feature. Utilize the personalization pipeline analytics dashboard to gain clear visibility into your operational metrics. We also offer attribution that will help you understand the effectiveness of your recommendation strategies. Personalization is foundationally built on Data Cloud, which enables you to leverage all the data across your business and Salesforce applications to power your personalized experience. Now, let's move on to loyalty. Now, loyal customers are a huge asset for any brand. Not only do they make repeat purchases and refer their friends, but they also actively encourage others to do business with you. Um, that's why it's crucial for brands to engage and nurture these customers with special attention and care. The way we look at customer loyalty and loyal customers have evolved over the last years. And I think this is one of my favorite quotes that encapsulates this evolution beautifully. Now, loyalty programs, as you see, are becoming key to success in changing consumer landscapes. Just look at what consumers are likely to do if they love your brand. They'll join your loyalty program, they'll recommend you to friends and family, and explore new products or services. This demonstrates the immense value loyalty programs bring to brands. To enhance this, companies are adopting technologies like AI to provide personalized experiences. According to Gartner, most companies will soon implement loyalty programs to harness first party data, especially as global regulations like GDPR make it increasingly difficult to source customer data from other channels. Today, most brands have adopted some form of loyalty program to reward customers. However, these benefits no longer suffice as customer preferences are rapidly evolving. They are looking at experiential benefits where they want more than transactional rewards. Beyond monetary or point based, they are looking at experiential rewards focused on creating memorable experiences. For example, instead of redeeming points for a discount, customers are looking for a weekend getaway or an adventure trip or a discount on their next order, right? Similarly, personalized rewards. Catalog rewards are predefined rewards offered by a company listed in a catalog from which customers can choose. They lack the personal touch that can significantly enhance customers' loyalty. For example, what customers are looking for are exclusive access to events or product launches, all based on their past preferences, behaviors, and past interactions, right? Unique experiences may be such as a private tour, meet and greet with a celebrity, or personalized classes. Emotional elements. Customers see the value in loyalty programs when they receive benefits or rewards to which they can connect emotionally. It can be either recognition, personalization, trust, exclusivity, or even empowerment. And then, of course, community and co creation. Engaging with a community of like minded individuals gives customers a sense of belonging and strengthens their connection to the brand. Lastly, modern consumers, especially younger demographics, prioritize brands that align with their values and social causes. And integrating social causes can set a brand apart from its competitors. But there are challenges with the existing loyalty solutions in the market, and only a few of them offer complete capabilities needed to meet these customer expectations that you see. Siloed customer data, lack of personalization, poor integration capabilities to bring in data from your CRM, ERP, or e-commerce platforms, complex workflows and implementations which takes a lot of time to go to market, inefficient analytics and insights affecting business capability to measure the return on investment of these loyalty programs, and lastly, inability to drive impactful customer engagement. Now, ideal loyalty solution should possess the following capabilities. It should be able to innovate programs rapidly, gain deeper customer understanding, to combine data from various systems like CRM, ERP, and get meaningful insights, discover program insights. It should offer comprehensive analytics module to capture insights, including purchase history, frequency, behavior, lifetime value, etc. It should be able to integrate with customer touchpoints, extend loyalty across touchpoints. So it's no longer a marketing tool. Brands should be able to adopt an enterprise-wide loyalty strategy. The solution should support loyalty across functions. And then, of course, craft personalized journeys. In this new era of loyalty programs, AI and data are critical to deliver highly personalized and engaging loyalty programs that drive ROI and customer lifetime value. And today, customers, because they're interacting with brands on multitude of channels and leave a ton of valuable data, it is important that all of this type of data is harnessed for you to derive the right strategy and execute it using a platform which is robust to handle all kinds of data and all kinds of insights. This is where we talk about our Salesforce loyalty management solution. It's a solution that offers exactly what we think our customers are looking for: end-to-end capabilities to design, publish, and innovate both on the B2B and B2C side of programs. It is developed on an award-winning Salesforce platform, which means it seamlessly integrates with all of our other Salesforce solutions, and it provides a 360-degree view of your customer by capturing information from different sources. It helps you achieve faster time to market, and it also brings in a comprehensive set of analytics and AI capabilities, allowing you to manage all aspects of loyalty program. Now, when I talk about AI, there are multiple advanced AI capabilities integrated into the platform itself. And these capabilities are designed to enhance program performance, drive member engagement, and optimize promotional strategies. For example, the embedded insights. It is a category which focuses on providing actionable analytics to help you understand program performance, member engagement, gain insights into how members are interacting with your programs. Partnership analytics, evaluate the effectiveness of your partnerships and identify opportunities for growth. Promotion analytics, analyze the success of your promotions to understand what works best and refine your strategies accordingly. There is a lot of predictive intelligence where it's able to forecast the program liability, predict future liabilities associated with your loyalty programs, member engagement score, assess the likelihood of a member engagement to prioritize efforts and resources, next best action. And beyond all of this, there is, of course, the Gen AI part where it's automatically able to generate summaries of your promotions to quickly understand the impact, easily retrieve detailed information about promotions based on specific criteria, and even build and create promotion content, and even create your segments based on the promotions. So Salesforce approach is about delivering tangible value with both Gen AI and predictive AI. And our loyalty management platform offers a variety of these capabilities to improve operational efficiency and increase ROI. And what you see here are just some of those examples that I spoke about earlier. For example, predicting promotion success, liability forecast, likelihood to refer, and so on and so forth. Here you can see a very quick view of how easily it is the Einstein, our AI, is able to use and give you a quick summary of the promotion. It's able to search through program details, through related tiers, and it's able to give the insights that will help a program admin to be more productive and ready with all the details that they need to run these programs. It allows you to manage your programs. It allows you to create omni-channel promotion strategy, all of that through clicks, as you can see, in a very user-friendly manner. It also has the capability of allowing you to rapidly launch promotions and give you an option where you ask for information about how to launch promotions quickly, update promotions with prompts, and generate content for emails. Lastly, the analytics part, like I said, it gives you detailed level of analytics with the help of AI for you to optimize your program impact and by predicting the performance and the ROI that you're looking for from the program. Just to summarize, with Salesforce, not only do you get our leading technology, you have access to trusted experts and partners who can help you build your data strategy and deploy AI to get faster value to deliver the elusive experience that you would want to deliver for your customers.